Welcome back. Playboy is set to launch its first beach cafe by January-March. Adult entertainment company Playboy on Wednesday unveiled the Indian Playboy bunny, keeping in mind local sensibilities, and announced launch of its first beach cafe in Goa during January-March 2013.
PB Lifestyle has brought the Playboy brand in a licensing agreement to India and plans to open 122 locations in next 10 years. Company is planning to introduce the modern Playboy brand to new generation which aspires a good life considering local taste and customs. PB Lifestyle CEO Sanjay Gupta told media, keeping in mind the fast evolving Indian luxury market, we plan to launch Playboy as an aspirational brand aimed mainly at Generation Y with its cafes, clubs, bars, hotels and merchandises. We have ensured that Indian bunny costumes have been designed keeping in mind local sensibilities. The format will be extended to cities like Hyderabad, Mumbai, New Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata, Chandigarh and Pune. Company will spend 200 crore rupees to set up Playboy clubs, bars and cafes over next 7 years. PB Lifestyle CEO Sanjay Gupta further told media, we plan to be at 122 locations including 65 cafes, 49 bars and 8 clubs in next 10 years. We will be looking out only at metro and tier I cities. In this segment also, we will keep in mind local taste and comfort. Playboy magazine along with a host of other foreign adult magazines is not permitted in India owing to obscenity laws banning material deemed lascivious or appealing to prurient interest. Tourist officials in Goa had earlier warned that they would shut down a Playboy club if there was any evidence of obscenity, vulgarity or nudity. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Major fire broke out at garbage treatment plant at Murgao, Sada. Heaps of untreated and unprocessed garbage caught fire. Fire officials suspect a foul play, whereas residents complain that this garbage treatment plant in their locality poses threat to human lives. Ironically, the garbage was lying untreated at this site from last 6 months. The fire continued till late night on Thursday.
Prudent had highlighted the issue of untreated and unprocessed garbage lying at MMC's garbage treatment plant. This garbage dump caught fire on Thursday. The fire continued to spread as the garbage contains medical waste and other inflammable products. Officials of MPT Fire Services and Fire Brigade reached at the site and tried to control it. However, they could not.
By spraying water, it can't come under control. We can reduce the extent. I mean, the block but if fumes are these fumes which are produced due to the fire, they are quite not healthy.
So आता कोणी घातला ते आमकां काय खबर ना. ते एक्चुअली कोणी घातलो उरतलो नाल्यार भायल्यान कोणी ग्रास फायर जावन तो उदो भितर येयलो उरतलो. ते सांगपाक जायना कसो पडलो म्हणून. आनी तो कितलो उदी मारलो आसलो तो पालोवपाच ना. जो पर्यंत तेंची मशीन घेवन कचरो उलटे सुलटे करना आनी तो पर्यंत उदक स्प्रे करना तो पर्यंत कचरो वचचो ना.
The local councillor is annoyed with the municipal administration.
केन्ना उदक लागता केन्ना वास येता जाल्यार केन्ना गार्बेज डंप जावन हांगा जागो नासता गार्बेज घातल्या कारणान भायर घालता. व्हेरी बॅड इट इज सामको पॉयजनस तो लोकांक हानिकारक एकदम जिवाक माल पूण सफर कोण जाता आमकां त्रास हे आमकां आतां उतरां आयची पडटा लोकांची हेका लागून तो मेडिकल वेस्ट हांगासर चुकोन सुद्दां कोणें बेश्टो एक काडी उडयली समज जाल्यार उदक बेगीन कॅच करूंक शकता कित्याक ते प्लास्टीक चड आसा मेडिकल वेस्ट नॉर्मली जमनीन होणको काडून पुराप आमचे हाडून अशेंच उडयता हांगा.
Prudent had raised this issue through its special report last week. Moreover, the garbage treatment plant is not functional since past 6 months. People had already expressed fear and anticipated such an incident. Our reporter from Murgao, Surendra Madkaikar.
Goa has submitted a proposal of 250 crores worth tourism-related projects to the Union Tourism Ministry. The ministry has sanctioned 50 crores to the state to control beach erosion. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar informed it to media on Thursday. He also said that Union Tourism Minister Dr. K. Chiranjeevi will be the chief guest for the carnival. State Tourism Minister is also trying for a special package from the centre to preserve heritage homes and sites.
आमी दिल्ली वचून ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर टुरिजम युनियन डॉक्टर चिरंजीवी गोंयचे काय विशय आसा हे टुरिजमच्या बाबतींत हे विशय घेवन आमी दिल्ली गेल्ले आनी दिल्ली आमी बसून ताजे कडेन गोंयचे जे विशय आहा हे सविस्तरपण मांडून तेंचो सेंट्रलाचो काय जे स्किम्स काय जे फंड्स दिले वयता प्रत्येक स्टेटीक ते आमी हाडपा खातीर थंय गेल्ले. गोंयचे बीच आसा जे इरोजन जाता ह्या इरोजना खातीर आमी तेंचे कडेन एक 250 कोटीची मागणी केल्ली आनी 250 कोटी पैकी एक 50 कोटी तांच्यांनी इमिजिएटली हे फायनान्शियल इयर सोंपच्या पयलीं आमकां दिता म्हटल्यार एक शिमगो फेस्टिवल जावं तुजें कार्निवाल फेस्ट जाता आमी ताका इन्विटेशन दिल्लें आहा. हेज्या पैकी दोतोर चिरंजीवीन आमकां कार्निवाल जो आसा ह्या कार्निवालाक 9 तारखेर आनी 10 तारखेर जे 9 तारखेर ओपनिंग कार्निवालाचें आहा ह्या कार्निवालाक चीफ गेस्ट म्हणून येता म्हणून एश्युरन्स दिल्लें आसा. ऑफिशियली आयज किंवा फाल्यां आमचें इन्विटेशन आसा हें वयतलें आमचे कडल्यान.
Our senior video journalist from Panji Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.